You might find some boom in there.
Some what?
Some boom. I'll just
Yeah.
check this store.
Dude, how?
Bonus.
How do I fucking not die?
Just rocket like the corner, like the back corner. I can't close it. Should smash it.
Did you get it?
Yeah, got it. I'm gonna drop in. So
Okay.
I just cranked that cunt, by the way.
Oh, some dude?
Yeah, some dude was in there. I just.
No
it's
way.
not
Who's
nice.
his name?
Joshy. I literally just cranked him, like proper.
Oh, his nameless is here.
I'm gonna drop down to the next level.
Gets pussies. Holy fuck.